In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a Klaviyo email template. Whether you're looking to share a downloadable guide, a handy checklist, or any other type of document with your subscribers, embedding a PDF in your email is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it step by step to ensure you understand each part clearly. Starting on your Klaviyo dashboard, look over to the left panel. You should see an option labeled Content. Give that a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Templates. This option allows you to view and manage all your existing email templates. Now, if you want to create a new template specifically for embedding your PDF, go ahead and click on the Create button at the top right corner of your screen. By doing this, you'll be taken to the Email Template Editor screen, where you can start designing your email. On this editor screen, you'll notice a variety of content and blocks on the left side that you can drag and drop into your email template. Locate the image block from this selection. This block will help you create a visual element that, when clicked, will link your subscribers to the PDF. Simply drag and drop the image block to the appropriate section of your template. Once you have your image block in place, it's time to add an image. You can either upload an image from your computer, which might represent your PDF, or use Klaviyo's AI generator to create one if you're looking to get a bit creative. After you've successfully added an image, click on it. The left panel should then update to show the image's link address. This is a crucial step because this is where you will connect your PDF to the image. To get the link for your PDF, head over to Google Drive where your PDF is stored. Once there, find your PDF file, right-click it, and select Get Link. This will provide you with a shareable link. Make sure the link sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view the file, to ensure accessibility for all your subscribers. Copy this link and head back to the Klaviyo email template editor. Paste this link into the link text field that corresponds to your image. This action effectively embeds the PDF link into the image, meaning that when your subscribers click the image in your email, they'll be directed to the PDF. And there you have it. This simple process takes you from a blank email template to a fully functional link to a PDF file, neatly tucked behind an image. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you efficiently share PDFs with your email subscribers.